Guys, hi guys, this is Arvind and I'm going to do my database lab experiment number 4 here. And here we are given a set of questions, set of 10 questions and asked us to write the queries for it. And 10 questions are displayed here and the queries for this shown. The first question is to retrieve the name of the customer who's booked the car. The query for that is to select distinct first name or last name as name from customer details. Customer details is table and car booking is another table, and we are given created small references for it as CD and CB, and the condition is where CD dot customer ID is equal to CB dot customer ID. When these both are equal, we get the names as these four names, and later we show the details of the car booking table using select star from car booking, and all the details are shown. The next question is to display the details of car booking you issued between 1st January to 2014 to 1st December of 2014. And the query for that is select star from car booking. Car booking is a table and the booking date is greater than 1st January 2014 and booking date is less than 1st December of 2014. The and keyword is used so that it can be compared with many values and we get the output of it. And we display the details of the car details table and the is shown here and the price details table is shown here. Uh, next, the next query is question is to display the name of the people who has booked luxury car. So, like select staff, select first name or last name as name from customer details. Customer details is table and car booking two tables, and we are given references as CD and CB. The condition is where CD dot customer ID is equal to CB dot customer ID and car ID is equal to 101 or car ID is equal to 105. So either one, and it is compared. The output of this is compared with these two, and is used to compare multiple values, and we get output as Alexandria John and Radhika Ram. Next question is to display the name of the customers who have booked more than one car. So in this we have used the subquery method. So the query for it is select first name. This one selects first name from customer details where one greater than, and this query which is inside the bracket will be this whole bracket will be executed first. So we get output from select count of customer ID from car booking which is a table, and we given a reference code as B1 where C1 dot customer ID where C1 is a reference of customer detail table and C car booking table has a reference as B1. The condition is C1 dot customer ID should be equal to B1 dot customer ID, and the answer of that subquery will be used here. Select first name till here. Select first name from customer details where one greater than the output of the subquery, and we get the answer of that. Now next question is to list the customers who have not booked a car. So, and here again we use the subquery method. So first the query within the bracket will be executed. Select customer ID from car booking. So we get the customer IDs from the car booking, and the output of that will be used in this query. Select first name from customer details where customer ID not in. Not in the not in means the output of this should not be present in this. So whatever is not here will be the output of this will be used in this, and we get the first name as HCL. And Next question is to find the top three bookings of the car. So we use to get the top three booking. We again use the subquery function. So the subquery will be executed first. Select count of car ID, comma car ID from car booking and group by car ID and order by count in descending order. So where row numbers so top three the in descending order the top three will be displayed and the answer of that will be used the select row number from car ID from the answer and we get the answers. Next question is to list down the card details which are red in color. So query for that is select star from car details where color is color red. So we get the cars which are red in color. Next question is list the brand name of the car which is mostly booked. And again we use the subquery function and start with its subquery within a subquery. So first we execute this from here. Select car ID from car booking and group by car ID. So it's group by car ID and order by count of car ID. So it will be ordered by the count of car ID in descending order and only one will be shown, row number. And the output of that will be used to this. Select star from car details where car ID is equal to the output of this. And the last question is to select list the minimum price car and which is red in color. Select and again use the subquery function method. So minimum price and car which is red in color. So this is select minimum of base price per day from car details and price detail which are two tables and color should be also red and we get the output of that and that output is used in using to this select star from car details and price details and to reference the CD and PD are given for both the tables where CD.car ID is equal to PD.car and base price per day since and base price per day is equal to we get the minimum of that and just compare to this. The output of that is shown and thank you, that's it.